Hi, my name is Noor Ada. Today we talk about our project in microcontrollers and embedded system material. In the beginning, we must know what are the biomedical sensors. Biomedical sensors are special electronic devices that can transduce biomedical signals into easy measurable electrical signals. They are the main component in various medical diagnostic instruments and equipment. So, the researcher in biomedical sensing technology is focused on how to improve the understanding of biological process and technology for medical diagnosis and treatment. Now, we talk about our project. The name of our project is Detect Alcohol Using Alcohol Sensor. In this project, we use sensor. The name of sensor was MQ3 sensor. One of the MQ gas sensor is the MQ3 alcohol sensor. Alcohol sensors are used in breathalyzer devices which determine whether a person is drunk or not amount of alcohol, so that law enforcement personnel use breathalyzers to catch drink and driver culprits. So the benefit of the alcohol sensor is to detect ethanol in the air. So when a drink person amount of alcohol breathes near the alcohol sensor, it detects the ethanol in his breath and provides an output based on alcohol concentration. In this slide, we talk about some information about MQ3 sensor. The MQ3 sensor is mostly useful for developing projects that measure the level of alcohol in the breathing of person, and we can buy it at a low cost. In these pictures, we show the MQ3 sensor. In the first picture, that located on the left, that is the form of MQ3 sensor. And the second picture show how we connect this sensor. MQ3 sensor, it consists about 4 pins. One of the pins connect on VCC and 5 volt potential should be provided. The second pin must connect on the ground. The third pin, we can get digital output through these pins. And the last pin, we can get analog output through this pin.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I am Atira Khatib. The components of our project are Arduino Uno board, MQ3 sensor, breadboard, wires, 5 volt buzzer, 220 ohm resistor, and LED. This figure shows the connection of our project. And this our connection. This is our code. First, we define the sensor, LED, and buzzer connected pin. Second, in void setup, these pins are converted to output and input pin. Also, the serial monitor is enabled. In the void loop, the digital and analog values received through the sensor are inserted into 2 separate variables and printed on a serial monitor. Also, if the digital value is 0, the LED and the buzzer turn on, and if the digital value is 1, the LED and the buzzer turn off. This video of our project shows how it works. Here we brought alcohol closer to the alcohol sensor, and it detects the ethanol that's present in the alcohol. Then the buzzer and LED are turned on.
The best way to alert whom concerned, like police officers, is to issue sound, which is why we decided to make the buzzer the main method. The LED is one that means the alcohol concentration is high. So we believe this step is important because it will help detecting the person who gets drunk. In the end, the conclusion of our project for this method is a very good way to warn people with this system. As the world is constantly advancing, we believe that developing more advanced technology at a more accurate state in the future is for granted. As biomedical engineers, we must take into account the alcohol concentration because it has many applications nowadays. Thank you for listening.